Hi, everyone. My name is Peggy Ployhar. I'm the founder and CEO of SPED Homeschool, as well as part of the review crew. And today I get to share a new curriculum product that we found called HomeSchoolToGo. And it is an amazing opportunity for anybody that has a child that's younger and looking for some really good hands on help and possibly even a bilingual curriculum that would work well with a child who just learns a little outside the box. So, this program called Homeschool to Go is something you access actually online. And I'm going to pull up their website just so you kind of see what they look like. Um, Holistic and bilingual homeschooling program. But it's the only one in the world. And yes, it is. They're in the process of developing it. And so right now they only have the younger grades, kindergarten, first, second grade. Um, but they do a lot of not just providing you the curriculum, but also coming alongside you and helping you to learn how to homeschool and kind of problem solving with you with things that you may be experiencing in your homeschool. Part of this curriculum is the one-on-one coaching that you would also get as a parent. They do have an English version and then they have a bilingual version which comes in both English and Spanish. And so um, maybe you know somebody who maybe is a Spanish speaker, and so they come at the approach where you're going to all be learning together with your child from that respect too. So you can use it to just do regular bilingual education, or if that is your first language in Spanish, then to be able to use the Spanish English version. Now, um, some of the other things that I wanted to tell you about this curriculum is that it's the methodology that they use is a combination of Waldorf, Montessori, unschooling, and project-based learning. So really, what we know as some of the most effective ways to teach, especially teach children who don't do well in more of the traditional approach settings, they kind of take a compositional approach to using that in their program. Now, the program itself comes virtually to you. There's videos that kick it off that you show your kids, and then there's downloadables. And then within those downloadables, there are things and activities that you can do with your children. There's games that you can play. The things that they have you use for those activities and games are all things you can find around your house, create yourselves. You don't need to buy any extra books, nothing. Everything all comes included with what you can do and what you can use. So they give you learning objectives, and also they help you to get accreditation in your specific state or even Canadian province. So they are physically located in Canada, but they do help people homeschool within the United States as well. And I would assume if you live in another country that is English speaking, that or Spanish speaking, that you could also access that. I'm not sure about the accreditation as far as that goes, but but they do help you to figure out what kind of paperwork you would need and help you prepare that actually as well, so you can just file that away. It's said and done. So there's lots of extra things that come with that for you as a parent in the support area, as well as just what curriculum you are given. Now they also have some things that help you with social skills, with teaching that to your children, and emotion regulation and mindfulness. And so there's just a lot of different components that you can use that a lot of times curriculums don't even focus on. And so they've got those additional components in there as well. I'm just going to take you a little bit through their website to kind of reconfirm that I'm covering all the bases here. But so You've got, and you can try out a free class. One thing also I wanted to let you know is that you fill out an application. You don't actually just register. They want to make sure that the program is a good fit for your family, and so they have you fill out an application. They have you do an interview, and then try out a class if they feel like this might be a good fit for your student and your family. So that's where that goes. Um, and so they are really focused on holistic homeschooling, that this is about the whole child, not just about their education. And like I said, the one-on-one coaching is extremely helpful. You kind of get that check-in. They also provide community for you. So everyone else who's doing the same program as you are, they have ways online for you to connect with those other families and to create that online community. And so they even state all their holistic, the emotional development, conflict resolution, creative critical thinking, hands-on lessons, character formation, connections to nature, and healthy social skills. So, and then they got answers to a lot of different questions on here. And again, sign up for a free class. And then they even have a YouTube video that'll give you, and if you look at the description down below, the link to our website, if you go onto the free sample link on that written review, it will take you to their YouTube video that really walks you step by step and shows you what's in their program or what you would get with a 1 year subscription that that gives you access to that whatever level that you choose. So, and actually, you wouldn't really choose it. They, after you do the application, they kind of help you figure out where you would best fit. So really, it is a catered approach. Very much you're not on your own. You would have a community come alongside you and mentors to help you. And so if that's something that you really feel like this would be a great thing, I would encourage you to fill out an application. So just go to homeschooltogo.com and let them know that we at SPED Homeschool sent you there. So thanks for watching this review, and keep watching the SPED Homeschool YouTube channel for more videos and reviews just like this one. Bye, everyone.